Courage is a word with more than one form. Do you know the adjective of courage? Courageous. Can we call superheroes courageous? We certainly can. Courageous is an example of a descriptive adjective, a type of noun modifier. It gives information about a quality of a person or thing. A descriptive adjective, also called a qualitative adjective, often comes before the noun or pronoun it modifies. Many descriptive adjectives can also follow a linking verb and refer back to the subject. The courageous teenager accepted his new identity as a superhero. Peter Parker was courageous enough to use his special powers in order to help society. Note the special use of descriptive adjectives. We can make generic statements about a group of people with the plus a descriptive adjective. Victory can only belong to the courageous. Well, we reviewed a lot of topics today, and there are some challenging lessons ahead. So let's take a break, and I hope to see you again soon.